Zimbabwe has launched a new currency called ZIG, Zimbabwe Investment Gold. Recently, we were told that the RTGS is one of the strongest currencies, but now we are shifting to ZIG. There's a press statement here. It says, in line with the resolution of the bank's Monetary Policy Committee at its meeting on 26 September 2023, the bank wishes to advise that with effect from 5 October 2023, ZIG will become one of the means of payment for domestic transactions over and above its value preservation purpose. We actually expect to see a lot of changes. Maybe kana tikashandisa zig iri vachabvawo kuSouth Africa pavanouyawo muna December, please ngatibatsiranei tivadzidzise kuti zvezvichiitwa sei. This is actually a token that is backed by gold. Saka gold rima reserve will be backing up this token. So how are you going to obtain this ZIG? Through my transactions pamunotenga nekutengesa muma streets you are going to find my coins iwayaya. Okay, and the government has done everything in their power to make sure that they get external auditors to validate the availability and adequacy of gold to back ZIG at any moment. Saka ZIG iri richange rine backup as long as money or actually currency is backed up by the reserve. It means that currency yo inenge iri strong. We are very hopeful, guys, kuti this time everything will work out. Tishandisa ZIG irori tinogona kutorwisana chero nemarandi chero ne-US dollar chairo. Our currency is going to be stable zvachose. The only problem comes when we call it a token, because matoken atorwe serious, anoshandiswa kuma-casino, kuma-game yevanana. Saka calling a whole currency of a country a token, ipapo ndo panorwadza vazhinji. But basically, guys, we have a new currency iri kutotanga 5 October.